Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you what I eat in a week, so from Monday all the way to Sunday, 7 days, for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's going to be dairy free and gluten free because that's how I eat these days, but everything is super simple, very nutritious and delicious. And everything we eat is also eaten by Leonardo, our 9-month-old. He might appear in the video from time to time because he's a huge foodie just like us. This is Monday and for breakfast we're eating porridge. Just rolled oats, some water, some fresh strawberries and a little bit of salt. Both Leonardo and I love it. And for lunch I'm making this beautiful beef roast. So I marinated it. Oh, someone's super happy. He just had his snack just before lunch and it was bananas and banana pancakes. So I marinated overnight with some onions, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper and thyme and a little bit of white wine as well. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water and I'll roast it for an hour at 180 degrees. And it should come out amazing. As a garnish, we're going to have these white asparagus. They're really big in Spain. It's a very traditional thing. They come in jars, in brine. And I made beautiful salsa with tomatoes, a bit of onion, lemon juice, a bit of mayo, and some oregano. So I'm going to just put some of that on top of the asparagus. Then of course we have the beef roast. It looks so beautiful. I'm just going to remove this and then I'm going to slice it in thin slices. And I've got some sauce to go with it. And here's the finished lunch. The beef roast with the sauce was cooking in, the white asparagus and potatoes, which I boiled the day before. Now I just chop them into cubes and cook them on some olive oil. I'm eating a frittata made with aubergines, a little bit of onion and a little bit of chistorra, which is a Spanish sausage with pimenton, what is it called, smoked paprika and garlic. And then we also have a salad with tomatoes, lettuce, avocados and a little bit of cucumber, which I already ate on the side because my husband doesn't like it. For breakfast I'm eating rolled oats with some strawberries and a little bit of cinnamon. For Tuesday lunch I'm having the same roasted beef from yesterday, sliced and warmed up on a bit of olive oil and some water, so kind of steamed to make it nice and juicy, some rice and some roasted broccoli. And this is Tuesday dinner, so I made a gluten-free pasta with sauce, and in the sauce I put all the remaining vegetables in the fridge, so onion, aubergines, red pepper, a little bit of oregano, and on top, because I'm not eating dairy at the moment, I put some avocado, which is going to be kind of like a replacement for parmesan. And it's delicious. It's one of our favorite pastas of all time. For Wednesday breakfast I'm having banana and egg pancakes, a full plate for all three of us. For lunch we're having the same leftover roast beef from yesterday. I made enough for 3-4 days, so it's actually saving me a lot of time, which is great. This time we sliced it really thinly and it's actually really nice because otherwise it was a little bit too dry. And we have some leftover rice as well. All I did today literally was just making a tiny quick salad with a bit of lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, cucumber, and I dressed it with lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. Super simple, very quick, but as always very nutritious. For dinner on Wednesday I'm eating the same pasta as yesterday. I always make at least enough for 2 days and then I don't have to worry about cooking again. All three of us are eating it and loving it. I'm making a chicken broth. This is just chicken carcass and a little bit of onion, as well as a bag of vegetable scraps, that I've been collecting for a few weeks, just freezing them. And it's so nice not to have to throw away anything at all, but just use it up for a wonderful soup. In the evening I'm going to make a lentil stew from it. It will taste super amazing. Hopefully we can get some meat out of the carcass as well. For Thursday's lunch we're eating all kinds of leftovers. We still have that beef roast, and I also have some avocado which I'm going to share with Leonardo, and we have some leftover potatoes which are cooked on some olive oil until they're crispy, and some leftover rice. And Leonardo is also eating some leftover broccoli. He's very happy about that. How do you like your broccoli? Nice! What a smile! Oh, and I forgot one more thing. We also have a simple salad with some leftover vegetables that we had in the fridge. Some tomatoes, cucumber, sweet corn, which I just discovered we had in the cupboard, and some olive oil and lemon juice.
And pepper.
No, there's no pepper.
What's that?
Oh, black pepper, yes, of course, and salt.
Pepper
Oh, and
corn.
avocado too. So this is what we're having for dinner. Remember that beautiful chicken broth I was making in the morning? So I used that broth to make beautiful lentil stew. This guy is very impatient to eat. He loves his lentil stew. Celery, onion, a bit of carrots, a little bit of courgette, some green beans, a little bit of leftover German sausage from the farmer's market, and of course the lentils. I also put a little bit of thyme, a little bit of herbes de Provence, and a couple of bay leaves, and of course salt and pepper. And the chicken broth. Oh, and I put one more thing in. The curly kale. I think it's called like that. For Friday's breakfast, I'm having porridge as usual. This one is again with bananas, and this time I didn't put any cinnamon because I forgot, but it's super good. For lunch we're eating the same lentil stew from last night. I just love the days when we have food already made from the day before, and it's going to... Oh wow, someone is really hungry. He's about to eat the lentils with us. So it's always better the next day. So let's take it. For Friday's dinner we're having our go-to easy and quick meal, which is a little bit of onion, green peas, mushrooms, and scrambled eggs. For lunch we're eating rice with the same leftover aubergines that we still have in the fridge, so we'll have to make something else maybe tomorrow, and also some peppers, onion, tomatoes, and some leftover chicken that I managed to salvage from that chicken broth. For Saturday's dinner we actually needed something really quick and easy because Leonardo took a long time to fall asleep, and so it's kind of too late to cook anything. So we are going to eat something from the pantry. We had some canned sardines, which we love, and they're so healthy as well. And then we also had some fresh tomatoes and avocados from the farmer's market. I added some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's a perfect, light, quick dinner. For Sundays we have a tradition. We always make banana pancakes, and that's what we did today. It's just egg and bananas, nothing else, and we all love them. He already ate 6 of them and he wants more. It's crazy how much he eats. I literally just quickly put whatever I had in the fridge into a pot, and it came out amazing. One of the best soups ever. So there was a little bit of onion, some carrots, potatoes, also some kale. I think it's called dinosaur kale, the curly one. A little bit of leftover leg of lamb, some white beans, and then I forgot one more ingredient. It's cauliflower. And for Sunday's dinner I'm having a frittata with onion and mushrooms, as well as a bit of avocado and some leftover mash of potatoes and carrots. I actually made it for Leonardo, but he didn't want any of it. Well, just a little bit. We didn't like it much, so we're going to finish it. I am not going to eat dairy free for much longer. This was just an experiment, so I think I'm going to go back to eating it in a couple of days. But it's good to go off it for a while sometimes to, I don't know, to kind of appreciate it more again. And it was part of the experiment I was doing. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives a little bit of inspiration and will show you a little peek into what I eat on a gluten-free diet. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.